Are you allowing unrealistic expectations to hold you back from buying your first home? Back in 2002, when I was 1 year in my current business, in the loan originating business, I was looking to buy my first home. I wanted 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, I wanted a swimming pool. I wanted it all, but that wasn't fitting within my budget. So I decided to start my real estate journey, and I bought my very first home for $93,000. Fast forward 5 years later, I sold that home. I took the $50,000 in equity in that home and I put it down, 5% down on a home that cost $400,000 at that time. Me and my wife were starting our family. I was newer in the mortgage business. I decided to train, to grow my business, to work really, really hard, to make some smart business decisions, to start saving and budgeting. And fast forward 15 years later, that $400,000 home has more than doubled and has allowed me to buy my first $1 million home. Don't let unrealistic expectations hold you back from buying your dream home. Remember that your first home is not your last home. If you have questions or you need help coming up with a game plan and a strategy, reach out and I'll be happy to help.